Hi guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about using emojis and GIFs for marketing. Visual content is important to use in sending your message across all ages since it's understood faster than using plain text. People's attention span is getting lesser and lesser nowadays. Using visual content such as an emoji or GIF to portray your message can be easily processed by your audience at a glance rather than writing it as a text-based message. GIFs are great for promoting your products as it can easily capture one's attention rather promoting your products with a still photo. You can even compile multiple photos of the product that you are promoting and make it as a GIF. Marketers have discovered that using emojis and GIFs are a great way to attract potential customers with their promotions. Open your WhatsApp messaging app. Let's add emojis and GIFs on WhatsApp. Tap on the message icon to select any of your contacts that you want to send a message to. Or you can send a message to your broadcast list. Tap the emoji here. You can choose any emoji that you want to add in your broadcast. Let's try to edit this previous message that we sent as plain text. Copy it, then apply emojis on each sentence. This first sentence is a question, so we can use this emoji that looks like it's thinking. Next, we can add a simple smiling emoji here. With sales, we can use this emoji with $1. In this long sentence, we can use the police emoji, then an emoji that looks like it's investigating, and lastly, a negative emoji speaking bad language. We can now send this to our broadcast list. If you compare the first message with the second message, the plain text is dull and boring to read, while the second one with emojis will help you understand the emotion of the words in each sentence. Let's try adding GIFs. Click on the emoji icon again. Below, you can see GIF. Click on it. You can browse from these GIFs available on WhatsApp that you can use to send to your contacts. When you click a GIF, you can also add a caption. This is how your recipients will see the GIF that you have customized with a caption. As they click on the GIF, it will play in a loop. That is how easy you can use emojis and GIFs for marketing. We can now proceed to the next topic, sending attachments. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about sending attachments. WhatsApp is great to use to send promotions to your existing customers. You should take note that it would be advisable to send your ads or offers to your loyal and regular existing customers rather than sending them to people who don't know you yet. People would not like it if they keep on receiving messages from the people they don't even know. When you've already built your broadcast list, you can send a broadcast message to all of your recipients in your list with the ads or offers that you have created to promote your products or services. Go to your WhatsApp. Click on your recent broadcast message list. Here is our recent broadcast list. Click the file icon. You will see this pop-up window giving you more options to choose from. Choose Document if you're going to attach a PDF file, a Word document, or a spreadsheet. Let's click this PDF file as an example. It will ask you again if you want to send this PDF file to your list. Now click Send. Now your recipients will receive this document indicating the terms and conditions of the promotion that you offer. If you want to send a promotion in the form of a photo, we can do that by tapping on the clip icon again, then choose Gallery. Choose the photo of the product that you want to promote. This could be a special promotion having a limited time offer for exclusive customers. And in your physical store, let's say that this offer is not offered to walk-in customers. If your recipients learned about the promotion and they're getting exclusive offers, they're more likely to avail of the promo so that they can save a huge amount of money. Add a caption. You can add a text to show up in your photo. Include the offer, create scarcity or a limited time offer, and also the coupon code so they can avail of the discount. Choose the color for the text. Pinch the text to zoom in and adjust to the position that you would like to set it. Make sure the text is readable. When you're done, tap on this icon, and you'll be sending this exclusive offer to your broadcast list. That is how easy you can send attachments as your ads or offers. We can now proceed to the next topic, creating graphics for WhatsApp. Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about creating graphics for WhatsApp. You can create your own graphics to send these messages on WhatsApp. There are free web apps that you can use to create your own graphics. It can add quality to your photos that you can share in your social media accounts, especially on WhatsApp. The recommended size for WhatsApp images in your messages is 800 pixels by 800 pixels. Take note of this image size, and that is what we need to create for our posts or messages on WhatsApp. Go to canva.com. Before you can create a design, you must have an account on Canva. You can sign up with your existing Google accounts or Facebook. Once you have signed up, you can now log in to start creating your design on Canva. In this web app, you can create your own design for anything. In this section, you may find predefined dimensions that are ready to use for different purposes, especially in your social media accounts. Just browse this section to choose the custom dimension depending on where you would want to use it. If you can't find a specific dimension, you can create your own custom dimensions as you click this link. You have to enter the width and the height of the design that you want to create. In this case, we need to create graphics for WhatsApp, and the dimensions for graphics to be sent on messages are 800 by 800 pixels. Click Create New Design. You can find ready-made templates that you can choose from. Browse these templates until you find a template that is suitable for your design. Your chosen design will be shown here. You can edit the image and replace it with your own image for your business. You can also edit the text here and replace them with the details of the products or services that you want to promote and share with your potential and existing customers. If you want to change the image, you can download free photos here. In the search box, type in your keyword. You can use Pixels or Pixabay to find free photos that you can download for your designs. There are tons of free photos that will be shown here as you input your keyword, and you can easily add it in your design. Adjust the image to fit in the dimension. Let's remove this photo. You can add a filter here. You can also adjust the transparency of the image so that the text can be seen clearly. If you want to add more text, you can select this text and press Ctrl D on your keyboard. Then group them to select text to edit. Edit the color of your text and see the preview if each color is suitable for the design. Make your text readable and would easily catch the attention of your potential or existing customers. When you're done with your photo, you can click Publish, click Download, and choose PNG. Click this button to download the photo. Now, here's our created photo. Let's try to send this to one of our broadcast lists on WhatsApp. Go to your WhatsApp mobile app, then click on Existing Broadcast List to send a photo that we have created on Canva. Tap on the clip icon and choose Gallery. Here's our photo from Canva. We can add filters, captions, stickers, and text, but let's just add a photo since it's already made with text on it. Tap on this icon to send it. Now we have successfully sent this photo that we made on Canva to our broadcast list. Our recipients can view it and they will have an urge to use this promo code to get a 10% off of their purchase.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.